Assalamu alaikum everyone. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy and blessed Eid. Eid Mubarak to everybody. Today I'm going to talk about two Eids which we celebrate as Muslims, Eid ul-Fitr and Eid ul-Adha. I will tell you guys how do we celebrate them, why do we celebrate them, and when do we celebrate these Eids. First of all, let's talk about what is our religion. Dear children, can you please think about it? It's super easy. Islam, very good, the religion of peace and mercy. Who are we? We are Muslims. How many Eids do we celebrate? As I told in the beginning as well, can you please tell the answer? Superb if you said two, because we celebrate two Eids, Eid ul-Fitr and Eid ul-Adha. The true meaning of Eid is helping others, spending time with friends and family, sharing gifts, spreading love by giving Eid to each other, and celebrating together and being united. How do we celebrate Eid? There are different ways to celebrate Eid. You can celebrate Eid with your friends, with your family, with your neighbors, and with your relatives. Two things are very important. A day before Eid, when you see moon at night and you get to know that tomorrow there's Eid, you can make prayers, you can ask Allah to help. And on the day of Eid, it is compulsory for boys to go to masjid and offer Eid prayers. And for girls, you can stay at home and you can still offer Eid prayers. And it is very important to meet with your friends, with your family, happily enjoy and greet each other. Now I will be talking about Eid ul-Fitr in detail. We also call it as Choti Eid. Ramadan. You all might be aware of this term. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar and the holiest month in Islam. Ramadan begins when you see the new moon. Fasting. You all might be aware of this term as well. During the month of Ramadan, Muslims fast for the entire month from dawn to dusk. This means that healthy grown-ups who are Muslims do not eat or drink anything, including water, during the day while the sun shines. Why do Muslims fast? Can you think for a minute? For Muslims, fasting is one of the 5 pillars, essential religious duties of their faith. Fasting teaches self-control, encourages a focus on prayer, and allows them to devote their attention to worship and get closer to Allah. This is the reason why Muslims fast in the month of Ramadan. Prayer and Quran. During Ramadan, Muslims try to say more prayers and try to read the Holy Quran more so they can gain Allah's favor and get closer to Allah. Muslims believe that Ramadan is the month of great blessings and mercy from Allah. It is the month of forgiveness. Muslims believe that during the month of Ramadan, the holy book, the Quran, was sent from Allah to guide the people. Eid ul-Fitr. How do we celebrate Eid ul-Fitr and when do we celebrate Eid ul-Fitr? Eid ul-Fitr is the first day of the new month after Ramadan. Muslim families celebrate Eid ul-Fitr by putting on new clothes and going to the mosque for the morning prayer. They prepare all different kinds of foods like samosa, pakoras, kebabs, yummy, and much more. They go and visit their friends and family, and children may receive gifts of money, which is also called Eidi, new clothes, and toys. On Eid day, Muslim people say Eid Mubarak, which means have a blessed Eid. Now I will be talking about Eid ul-Adha. Now I'm going to tell you why do we celebrate Eid al-Azha. There is a story behind this Eid. Sacrifice of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. This is the reason why we celebrate Eid al-Azha. One night, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam had a dream where he saw himself slaughtering his son Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam was filled with sadness. He decided to tell his son about the dream when the boy was older. Years passed. Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam was now a young man. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam knew what had to be done. He told his son about the dream he had many years ago, where he saw himself slaughtering Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam, in his full trust in Allah, replied to his father saying that if Allah commanded it, then he would follow Allah's command. So one day when the Ismail's mother was not aware of it, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam and Prophet Ismail alayhi salam climbed up to the top of a mountain. On the way up they saw Shaitan. He kept saying, "Why do you go up this mountain to sacrifice your son?" In response, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam threw stones at him until he went away. When they got to the top of the mountain, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam put his beloved son face down on the ground so he would not have to see the blade of the knife. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam raised his knife and brought it down towards the neck of Prophet Ismail alayhi salam. However, from the mercy of Allah, the moment the knife was about to cut Prophet Ismail alayhi salam, Allah sent an angel to tell Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam that the dream had been fulfilled and that instead of sacrificing his son, he should sacrifice a ram. Basically, Allah Ta'ala took a test from Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and he passed that test, and this is the reason that we celebrate Eid al-Azha like this. We sacrifice an animal. We can sacrifice a goat, a cow, a sheep, and a ram. Which animal did you sacrifice on this Eid? You can write in the comment box and even share your picture with your animal. Have a blessed and happy Eid. Happy Eid. Bye bye.